where he said it really started. Go!
Wow.
Dude!
Did you get that?
I think so. I'm just holding the camera forward. Yeah.
I'm gonna go on up here to W and turn around and head back.
Alright. I think we've seen enough.
Well, you just don't know. I mean, it's just one of them things right now. I just don't know. We got some more trees down right there.
Yeah, I'll get it on the way back.
We got limbs right there.
It's all on that side of the road.
Yeah.
There's some right there.
Yeah.
God damn.
Tell Tim from MM Highway W, we got fucking shit laying all over the place.
Fire department's already in. There's already been an accident.
Don't doubt it. We got some hell aces fucking crosswinds though.
Yeah.
I mean, I can barrel it all on the fucking road.
Tim. Hey, Tim. It's John.
God dang. We gotta have something right here. Look at all that debris right fucking there.
W. If you can hear me, I'll call you back. Hang on. Shit. Record here and all the way back. That should give Tim enough to be able to tell him to call that shit in too. Yeah.
And you gotta call the weather service.
You gotta call the business phone. Anytime they visit the private time, you guys are making it. Fuck Robert. So the phone lines are busy? Yeah. It's not good. Tim don't need to keep them lines hung up. God damn it. How fast you going?
35.
Good. That'll give me enough to be able to catch some of this shit. Ow! Oh, there's something right in your
Yeah,
ear.
go ahead and roll that up. My flags are going just because we're weather service.
Hey, Tim, we got debris
From MM Highway to W.
W. Yes.
Limbs are down. Let me see. Hey, on southbound, we've got limbs from MM Highway clear to W. That's all the farther I went was W Highway. But we've got limbs down. Right there on the corner, right before MM Highway, there is limbs across the road.
Some pretty big ones today.
Yeah, pretty much it's blocked. Fire department's on their way out. But no, fire department just passed me a little minute ago, so I'm pretty sure they're gonna be cleaning it up. Yep, from MMW. I mean, it ain't bad debris, but like right there with that old yeah, I can't even think of the name. Yeah, but right there at that corner, there's limbs across the road. All right, bye. Get up there, I'll slow down a little bit more. You can see a little bit better.
Well, I've already got a few of them on here. But yeah, I need to try to get one as close as possible. That way I can verify. God damn.